This is a 2013 C250. I'm pretty sure it has a sport package because you can tell by the side skirts, the rear bumper, and also the front bumper as well. Also, the wheels, they're not the base model. Also, I believe, don't quote me on that, but yeah, so that's the chassis. But why did I get this, you say? Well, like I said, it's for the channel. It's something new, something I've never done before. I'm excited for this build, and after seeing it, there's good and there's a lot of bad, of course, but I believe it's more good than bad. So I'm looking at it. So right now what we're going to be doing is looking around to see the damages that it has, and so far that we see is that the hood is damaged. This fender could be salvageable. Yes, it could be salvageable. This one's not. I can't, no. It's literally just ripped from here. So I don't think we're gonna be able to salvage that one. This bracket right here seems like someone took it out. Actually, yeah, that was the insurance company, because as you can also tell, the insurance company, they were taking, damn, come on. Or anyways, they were taking stuff apart. So the good thing is that the fender rails, these and these engine rails look good. The fender rail looks good. The engine rail looks good. Besides the bash bar. The bash bar, that's easily replaced. So we can replace just about unbolting it here and down there. Remove this, then we're good to go. Rim looks good. It's holding there. Rim looks good. It's holding there. Not holding there. And not holding there. And on top of that, so we might have to send it to the body shop, man. Shucks. There's more money spent on the car. But one thing I want to do before anything, I want to try to inflate the tires. I want to see if it'll work, if any one of these will hold air. Here's my donut. We gotta check the size. This is a T155/70 R17. That's a 125/90 R16. This one. We're gonna try it out, right? It's just one level above the 16, so it shouldn't hurt. Plus, you can put 18s on this bitch, even 20. So we're gonna give it a try. I'm very confident in doing so we can get this car finally able to be mobile, because it not being mobile, it's really stressful. Okay, so the Lord has blessed us. They work. I'm shocked right now. I'm really happy though. So now we can actually move the vehicle. Like I said, so that's a rip right there. But you know what? It's very common on Mercedes E-Class and C-Class, and I think also S-Classes. But yeah, As you can tell, the cockpit, it looks decent. It's dirty everywhere. You gotta clean everything out. It's gray interior with the black, so it's good combination. I'm glad there's more black than gray. I can honestly say that this is one of my favorite interiors that are gray and black because I hate gray. BMW's gray interior, and also Mercedes too, is just plain trash. Damn, there's nail clippers, focus, and camera. Come on, Canon. Oh shit. I didn't really get a good actual session yesterday when I went inside so I can take the parts out and look. So the previous owner lived in Watsonville. JP Mortgage is the lien holder. Oh shit. So he hasn't paid. My bad, he hasn't paid it off yet. That's crazy. So I got a used car dealerships or even a Mercedes dealerships, a wrecked vehicle that never got paid off. See, that's why you buy from insurance companies. You really get a better deal than third party. But so yeah, so let's move the car now. Let's see. Hold on. Okay. Coolant, check level. Check left, daytime running light. So we got the coolant, we have a check engine light right there. And there's smoke in the rear camera. Hopefully just condensation. Oh shit, hold on, I forgot. I gotta move the car from the driveway. Fuck. Let's pause this for a second. I'll be back. Okay, so the car's moved. Alright, on the street. So now we're gonna put this car inside the driveway. Or on the driveway. Push to start. It starts. Let's get the fuck out. Let's move this car. I'm glad I got a backup camera because I've grown to be in. Oh shit, that feels funny. Hold on. What the fuck is that sound? It's just rusted rotors. That's all it is. Sheesh, for a second I got worried. Damn. Alright, so now let's address that check engine light. That's what we're gonna be doing right now. So, scanner's right here. I kid you not, I need a fucking GoPro. I need to start recording with the GoPro for sure. Man. Oh shit, we got a misfire. If it's anything like BMW, the second you clear it, it's gonna go back to normal. And the reason why is because these motherfucking cars are sensitive as shit. Okay, let's see. Let me just take a picture just in case it does come back. Let's check if any are pending. No, that's about it. Oh shit. That's all the check marks. Everything's good. Besides the check engine light with just a misfire. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clear the code. We're gonna restart the car. Okay, so we cleared everything. Now let's start the car. There's no coolant, so we can't really like keep it on for quite a while. So we're just gonna see if it comes back ASAP. And I'm gonna log out actually and connect again to see if something does pop out. But other than that, the check engine light is gone. Right here, as you can tell. Focus, there we go. It's gone, it's not illuminated no more. We're good so far. Car's good, it's acting good, it's not acting funny. We're gonna pop the hood right now. So let's see what the scanner says. Let's check the IMs. So far, so good. Nothing. Okay, so that's great news right there. Okay, so I took the bottom out because we gotta take this out anyways. It's broken. So why not do something right now? Look at it. It is a gas saver. Hopefully. I'm about to check the stats online. And we're gonna see how many miles it gets per gallon. But a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder car, I mean, this sucker better make great mileage. It looks so small. It really does, wow. Damn, that's a big ass catalytic converter for a small car, what the fuck? But yes, so radiator's right here. What I'm gonna do is damn, I forgot. These cars, well, these radiators don't have no cap. And where you would put the damn coolant is from the reservoir. It has coolant though. The fuck? That's weird. Is it probably drained or something? Okay, so this is stuck. Okay, so this is interesting. So I can't move this back, and it's not supposed to be. Then that's why it's broken right here. It's not supposed to be touching the intake. Okay, this is. I'm very curious as to why it's doing that. I'm trying to look around. Yes, there's damage right here, but what other things? Oh, so this right here is a bracket piece to the headlight, and the reason why I know is because I believe it was last year during the fall I bought a E-Class in 2010, the newer models, with this exact same bracket. Matter of fact, it's funny, it's the same style and everything, not the same size, but same style. Like, it's actually a piece by piece by piece by piece bracket, so you just gotta connect everything together. So it's not bad. So this, I was thinking is gonna be a really big issue, so all I gotta do is just unbolt everything, this piece here, that piece, this one, and reconnect everything with the new one. But before I do, I'm gonna actually hammer this down or take it to a shop. So that fixes that issue. So now we know what to do about this situation. Easy fix, it's a blessing. I'm really happy. But now, so the crash bar has seen better days. Yes, I'm actually gonna take it to the body shop guy I got, and I'm gonna ask him, is this salvageable? Because it looks like I can save this crash bar right here. Yeah, the integrity is not gonna be like as it was, but I mean, I'll be able to save myself some money. But it's all gonna be on him. If he tells me, nah, it's too bad, like I won't be able to like save it or nothing like that, then I won't do it. But if he says, yeah, dude, don't worry, it's gonna still, you know, help and protect the people that get in an accident if they ever do. So we're gonna put a pin on that one. So now what we gotta do is find out why it's stuck. Like, it's not. Okay, so I found something that's bad. So you see that mocha color? So that's on the oil cap. So something as small as this could be just due to condensation, just like a little bit of water. So it's not gonna harm anything. But what I'm going to be doing It's changing the oil, and I'm gonna see what I find. Hopefully there's not a blown head gasket. I'm just praying. It's really nice to have a 4-cylinder, to be honest. And you never know, instead of getting rid of this car and getting a new build for the channel, I might be keeping this one. It's a 4-cylinder, so why not, you know? Trying to save money, man. Either that or get a Tesla. Alright, you guys, so we're good. We're in the clear. The oil is not milky at all. I know I don't sound excited, but I am, because I was kind of dreading, because maybe, possibly, it could have mixed with the oil. See the little mocha stuff, but it could be just like small condensation. That's it, because it's not really a lot. So that's the plus. We're gonna remove it from those racks right there. We did the oil change. We put the new filter in. We put the oil. We checked the dipstick. So we're good. The oil is not mixed with coolant. We solved the issue with the coolant level. It was a simple fix. All we needed to do was just top off the reservoir. It's topped off. I'm gonna let it drain some more because there's too much coolant. Another thing that we found out was that the car has a misfire on cylinder 4. Let's check it out. So we erased it, but then it came back. See, one pending, so we're gonna read them. Go to pending. See, cylinder misfire 4, so there's actually really are. I mean, there actually really is a misfire in cylinder 4. So either that could be the coil, or it could be the spark plug. Either one. We're gonna check that out. So far, so good. We're gonna check if the car overheats, and we top up the coolant level. We found out that it does have a misfire in cylinder 4, but we found out that the engine is not mixing oil with the coolant. The car runs good. It starts up nice and fine, as you can tell. Turned off. Service A exceeded by 8,000 miles, so we're gonna do that one as well. But so far, so good. Overall, the car was a great purchase. 2 wheels got fucked up, so bent rims, I mean broken rims, they got cracked. So far, so good. Other than that, all we gotta do is just order the parts that I need, and we can send the car to the shop. Maybe we can do everything ourselves. We'll see. So one thing, like I told you guys, I noticed was that it wasn't inflating. So I was wondering why. So I took both of them out. This one's cracked right here, and the other one as well got the same crack on the same area, on the same lip. So that's why I did it not inflate, and I'm really upset. So now I gotta buy some sport rims, because these ain't the base rims, so gotta buy the sporty ones now, man.